is Beth with Take a Breaky, and I am here in Hogsmeade on the opening day of Hagrid's Motorbike Adventure, which is mind-blowing. Look for a whole other video about being here, first 200 people in the park, watching all the stars do magic. It was insane. It was amazing. But I wanted to talk to you guys about the ride vehicles, because there's, of course, another Orlando ride where people have some concerns of whether or not they're going to fit. So you guys know this. I wear women's 2X. I didn't have any issues on this ride. There was zero issues with the lap bars. But I'm going to show you real quick because it's different sizing and different seats. So first is the sidecar. I'm going to have Ethan here, my Slytherin assistant, show. So on this one, it's a little snug, but it would fit without any pushing from another person. You're going to want to watch that green light. These test seats are here and close to the green light. With the motorbike, this is going to be your more friendly seat. If you're plus size, you're going to have an easier time on this seat. There is a little bit, I noticed during the ride, it does kind of push into my hips a little bit, so it's kind of wider. You'll probably feel that if you have an issue on Seven Dwarfs Mine Train with the width, you'll probably feel the same thing here. It didn't stop anything. This pushes down, no problem. You're leaning forward. You got your handlebars here. I'm leaning forward. I actually have a little bit of room here, and the green light's still on. So zero problems there. Now, if you are, like I said, if you're a little bit bigger, you're going to have an easier time here. If you are taller, you're going to have an easier time in the seat. You're going to be a little cramped in the sidecar. Ethan is going to demonstrate. Ethan is...
I'm 5'2", only about 100 pounds.
Okay.
So, better seat for the smaller people is going to be the sidecar. You don't move around as much side to side, and again, you're gonna have an ankle brace to keep your legs in. It also comes down a lot further closer to your lap, whereas our motorbike here, you don't have the complete hip guide. So again, smaller people like myself are gonna slide around a bit more. If you're sitting all the way back, it's a lot further down on your legs.
If you show us
feel as secure side to side. And again, I'm short, dangly feet. It's gonna happen. So when I did team member preview, I slid around a lot in the motorbike. Today riding, sidecar is the way to go for your smaller people, your children who are closer to 48 inches or under about 120 pounds. So again, sidecar for small people, motorbike for the large.
So hopefully this helps out a little bit. Just so you know, there is kind of an awkward step up to the motorcycle. So if you have any mobility issues, I also would recommend the sidecar. So hopefully that's helpful, and hopefully you get here to Universal soon to ride this amazing, amazing roller coaster. You'll love it.